Easily recognizable with the green dot mark, this hospital-grade power cord ensures compliance and delivers maximum performance. Connector 1 to 3 prong flat grounded plug male, NEMA 5 to 15p. Connector 2 to 3 pin shroud female C13, IEC 320C13. TAA Compliant. Perfect for medical carts and mobile devices. Top reviews from the United States. Arrived as ordered. Very durable. Arrived as ordered and works as intended. Very durable. Works great for a TV lift system. I used this cable to power a TV and soundbar on a powered lift that lowers from the ceiling. The length was perfect and it coils properly and doesn't droop when the lift is retracted. This is a well-made cord. Who doesn't love a good, curly, cord? Needed a good coiled cord on short notice for a TV lift project. This one is sturdy and was shipped quickly.